Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. If you love learning about how flights really operate behind the scenes, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring an unusual but important scenario: what happens when a flight leaves the gate but must return before takeoff. A return to ramp occurs when a technical alert, passenger medical issue, or operational reason prevents the flight from taking off. The pilots coordinate with air traffic control and safely taxi back to the gate once parked. Engineers inspect the aircraft, and passengers are kept informed. Sometimes the same plane departs again. Other times, a replacement aircraft is arranged. It's a reminder that in aviation, safety always comes before schedule.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flight will be returning to the gate due to a minor technical issue. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Our crew will provide updates shortly. We've safely returned to the gate. Maintenance teams will inspect the aircraft and will let you know when boarding will resume.
And that's how a return to ramp keeps safety ahead of schedule. In our next video, we'll explore what happens when a flight turns back after takeoff, the air turn back. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation insights.